this. Look what I done found. Man, this book is so dusty and old. My mother used to read this book to us. The Book of God, the Holy Bible. Man, look at these pictures inside. I have a funny smile. Well, this rain will let up. I guess I'll sit down right here and read this book. Let me open it up. Open up the book, and we'll take another look at God's word on what we heard. So open up the book, and we'll take another look on God's word, on what we heard. Now things may not go right, but you read the word of God, you feel right, cause it's His word on what we heard. Come on, let's open up the book, and we'll take another look at God's word on what we heard. Let's open up the book and take another look at God's word on what we heard. Come on, open up the book and God's words on what we heard. It's all about the word. Open up the book, and we'll take another look at the word. God's word. Open up the book.